Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. So after a long time I'm uploading this video. This video is mainly because a lot of people are saying that the Predator Sense is not working in the Acer Predator laptops. Okay, so a lot of people said that. Uh, this video actually, this is the video I uploaded 2 or 3 months
can
ago,
change that.
and in this video, I just fixed the problem of the keyboard light was not working and I fixed it. But a lot of people said it's not working, and some of the people said it's working. Mm, Here you can see a lot of people said working, and let me show you that. Here you see some said it's not working, bro. Please help, and this light effect is not working, and predator sense is not working, and please upload some tutorial to how to download the predator sense. So this is that video. In this video, we are going to reinstall the predator sense in a correct way. So to do that, wait. Before getting started, thanks for giving this opportunity to help you, and thanks for this 45 subscribers, and please like and subscribe my channel guys, so to more grow and put some quality videos by efficiently. Okay, so further no delay, let's get started. Guys, one thing, so for demonstrating you I have to uninstall the predator sense, so let's go to the control panel and uninstall the Predator Sense program. Actually, there are two things here: Predator Sense configuration and Predator Sense installer. I'm uninstalling the both to demonstrate you. Wait for some seconds. You better skip 10 seconds or 20. Okay, so now it is uninstalled, and now we are going to uninstall this install file, Predator Sense install file, for only demonstration purposes. Okay. Okay, now it is finished. Okay, so now let us see how to install the Predator Sense software from the official Acer website. So go and search for Acer drivers. Yeah, I just did this before. And go to this first website, which is officially the Acer.com, and go and select this download Acer support drivers. Okay, so here you have to enter your serial or your model number. So if you know your serial number, enter it, or if you know your model number, enter it. Uh, your serial number can be viewed from your bottom of your laptop. Okay, so you can enter that, or otherwise you can enter the model number. To check the model number, you have to go to the view PC, or no, go to settings and go to system, and here go to about. So here you can see that my model number is Predator PHN1671. Okay, so now enter that. So for short, okay, PHN, sorry, N1671. So it shows this is the model I'm having now. So I'm going to that and wait for some second. Here at the bottom, you can see the applications here, and open the applications and choose the version you want to download. But you better download the latest version here. So for other apps on Acer, you can download from here, like Acer Care Center and the Quick Access application. For now, we are only downloading the predatorsense. Okay, so hit download. I'm already downloaded, so I'm skipping this part. Okay, go to the download and uh, where is this file? Yeah, here it is. So I'm going to extract this. So better extract here. Okay, it will take some time. No, no. Extract it quickly and open this predatorsense and go to this setup. Hit next and accept this license agreement. Hit it and yeah, click yes. Okay, now I think it's installing the predatorsense config file. So just installing .msi that and prerequisites and other things are carrying on. Wait for some seconds to finish its job. Okay, so now it's installed successfully and let's check predatorsense works. So I'm here clicking the predator button in the laptop. Um, yes, it's working for me now and hit start now and the next can better cut that. Okay, so here it's showing successfully. And for some people, it may not show the monitoring section, that is the CPU temperatures and the utilization percentage. So for that, what you are going to do is again uninstall the predatorsense software and better reinstall again. Okay, which was happened for me 3 week ago. Okay, so that is what I did. First attempt I installed the predatorsense and but it was showing nothing and it doesn't show the control options like this mode changing option and the fan control pulsar lightning like this. So it's not showing totally anything in the predatorsense software while doing my first attempt. But after the first attempt I did again, that is I again reinstalled the predatorsense software and again installed the predator software again. Then it works perfectly like this. Okay, so my CPU temperature is 61. It's showing perfectly, everything is showing perfectly. And now let me try to change the keyboard light color. So it's already in wave, so let me change. Wait, yeah, let me change to static and changing the colors. Yeah, it's now perfectly um, working for me. So you can also better do this. I hope it works, guys. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please subscribe my channel and like this video and comment down any other queries you have. Okay, so thanks again, guys. Bye.